Hi guys, welcome to Tech Life. Today we are going to discuss about the online recruitment process of suave. Company location is Bangalore. Here we are going to discuss about the how many rounds are there and how to crack the coding round and the job description. Here the specialization is BA, BTech, MTech and MCA, and the skills required are Java, Python or C Sash. Role is full stack developer. This is an on-campus recruitment process. Let us see the interview process. There are 5 rounds. Round 1 is MCQs, multiple choice questions are there. In this round, I got the information from other students who attended this drive. They told that they were asked Java and Python and some test cases means you have to predict the output where code is given and you have to predict the output and some aptitude questions. Total, this round consists of the core programming questions on Java or Python and aptitude questions also and SQL queries. Round 2 is coding round or programming round. In this round, they will all these rounds are paper and pen rounds. First round aptitude and programming test MCQs and round 2 coding. In this round, they will ask the small coding questions like based on the arrays and strings, 2D arrays. Mainly focus on the 2D arrays and strings. For reference, I am providing these questions. Find the sequence with the longest palindrome substring. One program written question in Java, we need to explain the program related to strings and arrays. Minimum length of substring without repeating character, maximum length of the given string and print the maximum length of the string from the given string. These are the some questions for I am providing for your reference. You can prepare well for interview based on arrays and substrings, mainly focus on these topics and also cover all the remaining topics. Round 3 is an communication round. In this round, they will assess your communication skills, how well you are performing and your language and your proficiency, and how well you are engaging with the audience when you are talking and all your behavior. And round 4 is an coding round. In this round, we have to compile. This round will happen on the system. All the about 2 rounds or will happen on pen and paper. This round will be given on the system. You have to write a code and compile and run and get the output correctly. All the programs given in this round are medium level. You will crack easily when you have an programming knowledge a little bit. Practice more on coding questions. You will definitely crack the round 4. Round 5 is a technical round plus HR round. They will ask the questions which you wrote on round 2 on pen and paper. You have to explain the code. You are capable of explaining the code and the way of your thinking, the logic. And there are some managerial questions like why do you want to join in this company? And are you willing to write bond? Are you willing to relocate? All these basic questions are asked and some technical questions are asked. This is a combination of TR plus HR round. Confidence is the key in this round. If you qualify all the above rounds, then congrats, you got a job in software. Coming to the salary is 2 LPA and 3 months of internship program. After the completion of 3 months of internship program, based on your performance at the internship, you are assigned with an salary for full time 3 years. You have to do service agreement for 3 years. You have to submit the original documents to the company. Thank you for watching, and please like and share this video if you find it useful, and comment it down. Which company recruitment process do you want? Thanks for watching. subscribe to Tech Life.